Good morning, children. I am Kalpana Gupta, and now onwards I will be taking your maths class. Children, before that, Kiran ma'am was teaching you, and she has completed almost 4 chapters. First of all, we will do revision of taught lessons, and after that, start new chapter. So, today I will start from lesson building with bricks. Children, in this chapter you have learnt about different shapes and number system. So let us start. Children, as you all know, bricks are used to make buildings, walls and floors. Can you tell me the shape of brick? Yes, it is cuboid shape. And you all know that cuboid is 3D shape and it is also known as solid shape. Okay, so what is solid shape? Solid shapes are 3D shapes with 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions means length, width and height. And solid shapes have faces, edges and vertices. Here you can see there are 4 types of solid shapes: cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cube. Cuboid is 3D shape with 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. And the face of cuboid is rectangular face. Okay, and example of cuboid is brick, your sharpener, your eraser, microwave, refrigerator, etc. Okay, now next solid shape is sphere. Sphere has 0 edges and 0 vertices, or you can say no edge and no vertices. It has one curved edge. Okay, and example of sphere are football, volleyball, etc. Now the next solid shape is cylinder. It has 3 faces. 2 faces are plane face. These are plane face and one is curve face. Okay, and it has no vertices and it has 2 edges. Correct? And example of cylinder are tube light. Okay, your new pencil. These are the example of cylinder. Now next is cube. Cube is also 3D shape. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges like cuboid. But the major difference between cuboid and cube is cuboid has rectangular faces and cube has a square face. Correct? And example of cube are ice cubes, dice, etc. Now let us know about plane shapes. Children, you all know plane shapes are 2D shapes. It is closed figure and the plane shapes are rectangle, square, triangle and circle. Children, these all figures are closed figure. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners and opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Now the second one is square. Square is also 4-sided figure. It has 4 sides and 4 corners and its all 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. Circle, it has no corners and no sides. And triangle, it has 3 sides and 3 corners. As you all know, corners are also known as vertices. Children, Do you know India is the second largest producer of clay fired bricks, and India is estimated to have 1 lakh bricks kiln. Okay, children, this 1 lakh is a Indian system of numeration. So we will learn Indian system of numeration, read and write. Okay, here you can see in Indian system of numeration there are 3 periods: ones, thousand and lakhs. And ones period has 3 places, thousand places and lakhs places have 2 places each. Okay, ones period places are ones, tens and hundred. Thousand periods has 1000 and 10,000 places, and lakhs period has lakhs and 10 lakhs places. Okay, and to read the number we always start from left to right. Okay, it means the number that is written in this place value chart we will read like this. First we will read 57, then lakhs, 23,485. Okay, and to write the number we put comma between the periods. So how can we write number? First we will write 57 comma, then 23 comma and 485. Okay children, so you can read and write number in Indian system by this place value chart. Now let us see what is place value. Children, place value, to calculate the place value you always multiply digits with value of its place. Suppose in this number 48,735 you have to find the place value of 8. So what you will do, you will write first 8 and then multiply this 8 by its place. What is the place of 8 in this number? 5th is on 1's place, 3 is on 10's place, 7 is on 100 place and 8 is on 1000 place. It means the place is 1000. So when we will multiply this, it will be 8000. So place value of 8 will be 8000. Okay, and now face value. Children, face value is a value of digit itself. What is the face value of this 8 in this number? This will be 8 only. Okay, now look the next. How can we write expanded form of the given number in Indian system? Children, expanded form of a number is a sum of place value of the digits. Okay, here you can see example 4,23,215. To write the expanded form of this number, first we will write the digit and its place with plus sign, as I have done here. 4 lakhs plus 2 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 1 tens and plus 5 ones. Children, you can write expanded form in words also and in figures also. Okay, now let us know how can we do comparison of the numbers. Children, for that you have to remember 2 rules. First one is the number with more digit is always greater. Here you can see the first number is 6-digit number and the second number is 5-digit number. Obviously second digit will be the smaller number. Okay, So 75,430 is a smaller number. Okay. Now what is the second rule? Second rule is, if there are equal digits in the number, then compare the numbers from the left to right. So here you can see in both numbers have 6 digits. So what you will do, you will start from the left. Here you can see in both numbers first digit is 6, so you cannot decide, so you will move forward. The second digit is 2, again you cannot decide, so you move forward. Third digit is 8, again you cannot decide, so move forward. Next number is 3, and in the second number 2. So here you can decide 3 and 2. Obviously 2 is smaller, so 6,28,265 will be the smaller number. Okay. Now next is, how can we write numbers in ascending and descending order? Children, to write numbers in ascending order, you have to write a small number first. Means first you will write a small number and after that big number. Here you can see 6,241 is the smallest among all, so it is written on the first place. And after that 8,432, after that 9,452, and at last the greatest number, that is 9,542. Okay. And descending order is opposite of ascending order. In ascending order you were arranging the numbers from small to big. In descending order you will arrange the numbers from big to small. Here you can see 8,275 is the biggest among all, so it has got first position. After that 8,270, after that 2,170, and at last 1,489. It is the smallest among all, so it is written at the last. Children, hope you all have understood. So please go through the video and try to recap your knowledge. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.